Hello folks, a lot of people were interested in the sound of this motorcycle. This is my 2023 model Royal Enfield Classic 350, and as you can see, this is in a beautiful Signals edition. I have the K&N air filter which has been installed over here, and then I have an indoor silencer which I imported from India. This sounds as sweet as it possibly can. So let's switch on the bike and I'll show you how it sounds. So what do you think, folks? How does that bike sound? In case if you want to watch more videos about the Classic 350, I would highly recommend you to subscribe to this channel because I make some awesome content with this bike, and we will be traveling throughout Ireland, camping on this bike as well. Stay tuned for those videos. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe on the road. Take care. Bye-bye.